Here's a couple examples of combining radicals. The rule is to be able to combine two radicals together, you must have the same index and the same radicand in order to add or subtract them. So our first example is 3 square root of 6 plus 5 square root of 6. Notice that both of these radicals have an index of 2 and they have the same radicand of 6. So we can go ahead and combine their coefficients together, kind of like terms with thinking those square root of x's as square root of 6's as x's. So we combine the coefficients as 3 plus 5, which is 8, and then we leave the radical as it is. This second example, these two radicals are not alike yet, so we want to break them down into a more reduced form. So if we break down 48, we could break it down maybe as 24 and 2, and then we could break down 24 as 8 and 3, and we can break down 8 as 2 and 4, and I have 3 and 2. Over here, I break down 27 as 9 and 3, and then break down 9 as 3 and 3, and then I have a 3 left. And then I still have here the 2 out in front, and the minus 3 out in front. So let's just kind of clean up this first radical as 2 square root. I'm going to break down that 4 one more time. So it's 2 and 2 as that 4. And then I have 2 more 2's, 2 and 2. And then I have the 3. Now let's bring down the second radical. That second radical was minus 3. And then 3 3's underneath. Now, anything that is a pair goes out in front. So this is a pair, and this is a pair. So I have a 2 and a 2, along with the 2 out in front. And then what's left underneath is this 3. Now I have a pair over here in the second radical. So that goes out in front. And then what's left is this 3. Now I'm going to multiply those 2, 2, and 2 together. That is 8. And then I have the square root of 3 left. Then multiply the 3 and negative 3 as negative 9. And then square root of 3. Notice now, with all that work, these are considered like radicals. They have the same index of 2 and the same radicand of 3. So we combine the coefficients as 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9 is negative 1, and then we still have the square root of 3.